Good morning, children. Welcome to English class session 21. This is the third term. We have 3 units overall: poem and supplementary reader. The last third unit is a drama. So in this lesson, unit 1, we are going to see who owns the water. This was the title of the lesson. The title of the lesson is Who Owns the Water. We are going to discuss about a crow, a small little bird. First, second, about a wild boar. Third, about forest dogs, wild dogs. Fifth one, about a zamindar, that is a landlord. So these are the persons. They are competing each other for a particular place. This was the story. Let us discuss who is owning the water finally. Now, hi Aisha, look at the rainbow in the sky. Do you know when it appears? Yes, of course, it appears in the sky when the sun shines through the raindrops. When the sun shines through the raindrops. This was the answer given by Aisha. Once upon a time, in a dusty village, a tiny bird searched for a place to lay her eggs. The land was parched and dry. And there was a bush of tree in sight. Finally, in desperation, the little bird discovered a shallow stones and loosened up the packed earth. See here, the little bird discovered a shallow depression in the ground. Using her claws to remove the stones and loosen up the sand in that particular place and make a small hole, nest-like structure, and there it laid the eggs. It was taking care of the younger chicks until they became big. After it learned how to fly, they shifted the place and forgot the nest. After that, a wild boar which wants to take some rest came near the hole. At the same time, the hole was very small, so it started digging the ground further and further. So when the hole becomes bigger, it lay down on the hole and slept for a while. In the morning, right after the sleep, it went off from that particular place, forgetting everything. But by smelling the scent of the wild boar, a pack of wild dogs, it came to the spot where he had laid, and they were searching the boar to hunt and eat. All the dogs were searching and started digging the ground where and all the smell of the boar came. So from that particular place, This the hole becomes wider and wider and wider. Finally, it becomes a very big pond-like hole. When after they searched for a long time, they didn't find nothing, and the dogs went off. Finally, the rain started coming there for 3 days and 3 nights. Heavy rain came to that particular place, and there was a poor farmer nearby the pond, and he woke up early in the morning. He was all these days he was suffering for the water. He used to carry water for his crops from a faraway place. This particular farmer carries water even during the summer days. When he saw the bowl-like shape of the land and the water filled in the land where buffaloes were surrounded and it looks like a buffalo pool, he started sending all the buffaloes outside the pond, and he started cleaning up the water in order to save the water for his farming. He was very happy to utilize that particular water pond for his farming activity. At the meantime, there was a zamindar. He was a very big landlord. He also noticed the new pond which came to the particular village. By seeing the water, he was very happy. His wife was appreciating a guru to bless her, and the zamindar asked that particular guru to bless the pond also. So this was the situation of the guru. Now you tell me, all the persons, the crow is watching, the small little bird is watching, even the wild boar is watching, the wild dogs are watching. Finally, the farmer who cleaned the pool is watching, and the landlord is watching. He is telling, this is my land. The landlord is telling, this is my land. So now who owns the water? This was the question given by the author to you. Thank you for observing the class. Thank you.